What's up everybody? Welcome to another exciting property tour. Today we are here in Maharagama, just very close by to Nugegoda and Navinna. So today I'm going to show you a 4,100 square feet 4-bedroom plus study room with a very lovely large rooftop and very beautiful house. So come with me and let's go check this house out. So now let's go check this newly completed house here in Maharagama. So this is unfurnished. It has a grand entrance here. So what's beautiful about this house is that it has open glass to floor ceiling with aluminium, and it has a lovely open space here for your living and your dining. So now I'm here in the ground floor and I'm going to take you around this dining area which is to be built. So check this new pantry and the design for this space. So this has been left open for anyone to customize it the way they like or use the same design and create this masterpiece here of this open pantry set which has an island counter here. So from this space on the ground floor which connects to your kitchen, you have a washroom there, you have a study room here or another additional bedroom, and it connects to this back garden. So another nice feature about this property is that it has this covered pergolas from the back garden and it gives plenty of natural sunlight. And this back garden connects all the way to your front garden as well. Now let's go and have a look at the first floor. The feature about this house is it has this steel timber finished staircase that goes all the way, which has a double heighted space here so you can overlook from both sides. And the beauty about the floor to glass ceiling, it has an inflow of natural ventilation from both ends. So come, let's go upstairs. As you come up from to the first floor, you have a space here which can be partitioned or kept open and used as a study or any independent space as you wish. And another lovely feature about this is that it has an open area there, but it has a nice partition which is covered, and you don't see the road to the house, but from the terrace you have a nice setting of the outside. So now let's just go walk around this place. What's an interesting feature about this house, like I said, is these pergolas. It gives you a lovely feature, and you have this glass from end to end from floor to ceiling, and you have another terrace here looking out to your back garden. So the first floor comes with 3 bedrooms. You have your master bedroom and you have 2 other bedrooms. Let's go check the bedrooms out. So from this point here, we have 2 bedrooms here and we have the master bedroom there. So I'm going to show you the master bedroom in just a bit, but let's go check the 2 bedrooms out. We have a state-of-the-art modern washroom with a vanity and a shower head there. I love the blend of color in this house, and this is one bedroom which has a large opening which has a balcony. We have another bedroom here which also has a balcony, and this is the master bedroom. What's special about the master bedroom is it has a feature wall here that you can have your back wardrobe or your dresser here, and then this has the master bedroom bed will be placed here, which has your own private terrace there, which has a lovely view to the back, and this is your master washroom. So this master washroom has a hot tub, it has a overhead shower, and it has a very large vanity, which also this hot tub is placed right under this open to sky with a nice green background here. So another special feature in the master bedroom is, like I said, is this large terrace, and you have this nice space here where you can have outdoor sitting. This is all about the master bedroom. Now let's go and check something very special about this house. So now that you saw the first floor and the second floor, so from this entrance here, as you come up to the first floor, you have another special space which is your roof terrace. So this roof terrace is designed to host a party or have an event, and it is a very large space. So let's go upstairs right now. So this large terrace and rooftop is an ideal space to host an event or your party. It also is equipped with outdoor sink and a washroom there. So let's go check the view from this house and see the neighborhood. It's a very lovely, peaceful residential area. We have been looking around, and for me, one of the most peaceful locations which I have seen so far, and very lovely house. So it has a lovely feature from the outside as well. So it gives a very modern touch to this house. So this 4,100 square feet newly built modern house, architecturally designed, is situated in a very peaceful area in Navinda. And now this house has a lot of features, from its floor to ceiling glass, from its roof terrace, from its fixtures to the detail it has gone into, from the timber finishing to the steel work and all the light fixtures. So this property doesn't come furnished, but there is also a proposal for the pantry and the dining. So if you like this property tour, let us know your comments on the description, and do like this video and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching. For all the details on this property, check the description.